Just put some catnip in Squirmy's bed. Let's see her go crazy. Go crazy, monkey. Oh, you're so cute. The cat weed is in your bed. There you go. She found it. Go crazy. Oh. You look so big. Catnip is not flattering for you. Why is it okay for cats to get high? And then it's illegal for humans. Equality, man. Equality for all. Anyway, good morning. And there's another lame vlog. Whoops-a-daisies. I was just super busy cleaning my room. Not done yet. But just doing chores. And also, I didn't feel very good again. So, yeah, there you go. Explanation that you didn't ask for. But I told you anyway. Tomorrow I have to babysit for like a really long time. Well, not really. It's only 4 hours. But it's like in the middle of the day. So I'm not expecting to get much done, but we'll see. Anyway, another day down the books, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!